Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel Traders Journey. Today, today is Sunday, fun day, weekend. So I thought of sharing one simple strategy. Or in fact, I'm thinking to make Sunday a strategy Sunday. Okay, so I will try to share some strategy on each Sunday so that you guys can trade with that strategy if you want to. I don't want to force you. If you want to trade, you can take that strategy. Okay, so today's strategy that I'm talking about, it's a very simple strategy based on pivot points. Okay, now some of you must be thinking, what is pivot point? Okay, I don't want to go into details because if I start going into details, this video will be very long. But just in few lines, I want to describe what is pivot point. Right? To make it very simple, pivot point is nothing but it's just an average of previous days high price, previous days low price, and previous days closing price. Okay, so let me show you an example. There you go. As you can see in the slide, the high price is 550 rupees, the low price is 460 rupees, and the closing price is 500 rupees. Okay, now the pivot point is total of these three, that is 550 plus 460 plus 500 divided by 3, that is the average of 3. The average we get is 503 rupees 33 paise. Okay, now what is the importance of this 503 rupees, or what is the importance of this pivot point? The importance of this pivot point is that whenever market comes near this point, there is every possibility, there is a high probability that price will bounce back. If the price is below this point, then there is a possibility that price will come up to this point and it will reverse back and go down. If the price is above this point, then there's a possibility that the price will come and bounce back from this point. So in short, pivot point is nothing but a support or a resistance. But as you all know, trading is a game of probability. So here nothing is sure shot, nothing is a holy grail. Okay, anything can happen. But in an ideal condition, in an ideal market condition, pivot point works. Okay, it's a well established fact, it works. Okay, now without wasting any further time, I want to show you this strategy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a platform called Streak. It's a platform provided by Zerodha, and this platform can be used by Zerodha customers only. So if you want to use this platform Streak, you have to open an account with Zerodha. Why I'm using Streak? Because I'm not an IT professional. I don't program, I don't code. So I need a platform where I can do algo trading without knowing programming or coding. So Zerodha is one of the most user-friendly algo trading platform. Now when I say algo trading, when I use the word algo trading, many of you must be thinking, what the hell is this algo trading? Okay, one liner, algo trading is nothing but an automated system of entry and exit, that is taking trade, that's it. If you want more detail on algo trading, if you want me to further talk about algo trading, please comment below, please let me know. Okay, I'll make a separate video on this. So let's not waste time, let's directly jump into the Streak platform. I'll make a strategy, I will back test it for 1 year, and I'll show you whether this strategy works or not. So guys, here I am in my Streak platform. Okay, this is my Streak platform. Here I'll create a strategy in front of every one of you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you can select any script you want, any script. Okay, but my favorite script is IndusInd Bank. Why IndusInd? Because this is one stock which in normal days gives a movement of 25 to 30 points, and when in a good day it even gives a move of 100 points. Can you believe a stock moving 100 points like index? So this is that kind of stock. So I love this stock. So here I'm going to use IndusInd Bank. Okay, so what I do is I'll simply type. Okay, I don't need to type anything. Its system is automatically suggesting me IndusInd because I use this most of the time. So there you go, IndusInd I'm giving here. Okay, the time interval I'm using is 15 minutes. Okay, I'll check buy side first. This is buy side. Okay, I'll put 400 as the quantity number of stock. Why I am using 400? Because this is the lot size of IndusInd Bank futures. Okay, now what is lot size, what is futures? Again, if you want me to further elaborate this, please comment, let me know. I'll make a separate video in this one too. Now moving on, I'll go to indicator. Where what I'll do is I'll put an open price. Okay, I want open price of IndusInd stock to be lower than, okay, lower than the pivot point. This is pivot point. Here it is showing R1. R1 is a resistance 1. It's a variation of pivot point, resistance 1. So change it to pivot point PP. Rest, don't change anything. Done. Okay. And then this is one condition. I want one more condition here. What is that condition? Now once the open price is lower than pivot point, I want close price to cross above pivot point. Again change R1 to PP. Okay, done. Now once I entered into the trade, this is the condition which once met, I will enter into the trade. Okay, once I enter the trade, I need an exit strategy. So what is my exit? Either the trade should hit a stop loss of 1%, or it should hit a target of 4%. So my risk to reward will be 1:4. Okay, why I am giving this strategy? Most of the trader, what they do is they put exact opposite of this entry as the exit strategy. But here, since I don't want to mess up my risk management, so I am putting 1% as stop loss and 4% as target, because I want to be in control of my game. Okay, so I am giving a specific number in my exit strategy. Okay, moving on, what I'll do is I'll go to show advanced. Here I'll change this time period to say 4 o'clock. It doesn't matter you give 5, you give 4, you give 6, because the market closes at 3:30. Okay, it's an intraday strategy, so it will remain as MIS. So I'm gonna give a name to this as IndusInd strategy test. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll back test it. Okay, since the time interval here is 15 minutes, so when I hit this back test button, I'm going to get the result for past 3 months. So let's hit the back test. Let's see what result it gives me. So it's back testing. Okay, so there you go. For the past 3 months, if I have taken long position in IndusInd future, this is what I was going to get, 50,960 rupees. Okay, this is for this 3 months. Okay, now 50,960 rupees. I'll move to a little bit back, that is from 20 till 26 June. So I'll make it 24th June. In fact, when I make 24th June here, it will automatically change to March. Okay, I'll run the back test. Let's see what result I'm going to get. It's a loss. Okay, it's a loss today. So it's a loss. So again, I'll go 3 months back, 26th March. 26th March, it changes automatically. Okay, I'll run the back test. Let's see, again this is a loss of 35,500 rupees. Okay, 2 loss, 1 profit. I'll move one more 3 months back, so I'll go to December 26th. Okay, it will change to September. There you go, September 2018 to this time it is September 2019, so 1 year period. Again there is a loss, 21,568 rupees loss. Okay, so in the buy side, in 1 year I had 3 times loss and 1 time profit. Now I will change this strategy a little here. Now I'm gonna check the sell side. Okay, this is buy. I'll make it to sell. Okay, now what I do is sell is exactly opposite to buy. So what I'll do is open price has to be not lower than, it has to be higher than. Okay, and close price not crosses above, but it has to cross below. Okay, rest everything will remain same. So I hit the backtest button. Let me see what comes in sell side. Buy side messed up, 3 time losses, 1 time profit. Okay, in 1 year. So let me see what happens in sell side. Wow, there you go. In the sell side, from June 2019 to September 2019, a profit of 78,136 rupees. Okay, I'll move back. 24th June, 24th June. Okay, there you go. Run back test. There you go. For the period March 2019 to June 2019, there's a profit of 1,34,536 rupees in sell side. I'll go back further. 26th of March. I back tested. Let me see. There you go. Again, there's a profit of 12,908 rupees. I'll go 3 months back. It's 26th December. It is September 18. Okay, so this is the 1 year period. Let me see what is oh, there you go, 50,000 profit. So in sell side, whole year I was in profit. Okay, so I have put this data in Excel sheet. I'll show you the Excel sheet. There you go. There you go. 3 period, 4 quarters, each quarter 3 month. Buy side, sell side. Okay, sell side all profit, buy side 3 loss, 1 profit. So buy side, when you total it, it gives minus 23,140. So with this strategy, in the buy side for the whole year there was a loss of 23,140 rupees, and in the sell side with this strategy for the entire year there was a profit of 2,75,936 rupees, which means there's a net profit of 2,52,796 rupees for the entire year. Now how much do we need to trade one lot of IndusInd Bank? So I go to Zerodha margin calculator. I put BO and CO order. Okay, I'll put NFO futures IndusInd Bank. I'll put price, I'll put stop loss. This is the lot size of IndusInd futures. So when I put calculate, so the margin required is 17,263 rupees is the margin required to trade one lot of IndusInd future. So I put that data here. There you go, 17,263 rupees. So at the beginning, that is September 2018, you put 17,263 rupees in your trading account. You start trading with this strategy, and at the end of the year you make a profit of 252,796. When you calculate this, there you go, you have a return which is more than 1400%. Don't you think this is a damn good return? More than 1400%. Okay, this was the return you get in 1 year. Now I want to point one more thing out here, which is very important to know. Okay, if you check this data, what you observe in the sale side, the whole year was profitable, but when you check the buy side, you see only 1 quarter is profitable, the rest 9 months is loss making. Why is it so? Okay, can anyone tell me? Well, I'll tell you that answer. Okay, let me go to the chart and I'll show you what's happening. Okay, this is the IndusInd Bank chart. Okay, and this is not a normal candle. Okay, this is normal candle. Here it's very difficult to find out the trend. Okay, there's green candle, there's a red candle, there's green, red, all mixed up candles. So it is very difficult for an amateur eyes to find out the spot, the trend. Okay, so in my case, what I do is I change normal candle to Heikin-Nishi candle. Okay, what happens is Heikin-Nishi candle gives me a little clear picture. See, there is a red candle continuously, there's a green candle continuously. Okay, in this way what happens is I catch a trend pretty easily. Okay, so let me take this trade. from March 2019 to June 2019. Why it was negative? It was loss in buy side. Okay, March 19, 27 March 19 to 24th June. Okay, so here I'll go. This is March. Okay, 27th March. This is 27th March till June somewhere here. Okay, so it was a buy side call. So in order for buy side call to be profitable, the stock has to go up. But as you can see here, first the stock was sideways, then it went down. So obviously it was a loss making trade. Why? Because we went against the trend. The trend is downtrend and we took calls for uptrend, that is long position. Okay, so obviously we'll make loss. Okay, so that's the reason. This is loss, this is loss, and this is loss. Okay, let me check with December 19 to March 19 also. Okay, go back. This is December 19th December, somewhere here. Yeah, this is 19 December from here till somewhere March here. Okay, long position from December 19, this is 18 actually, December 18 to March 18. Okay, buy side 35,000 loss. Why? Because as you can see, the stock was supposed to go up as we were in the long position, but what happened? Stock went sideways. Basically it is going down against, we went against the trend, so loss. Same is the case here. So the most important takeaway, trend is our friend. Never go against the trend. It is very stupid. It is not at all advisable to go against the trend. Okay, so my suggestion and very important takeaway, when the trend is down, do not take a long position. When the trend is up, do not take a short position. Okay, if you had used this strategy for past 1 year, and if you stick to the logic that the trend is our friend and we don't go against the trend, then what would have happened is you would not have taken these 3 trades. In that case, what would happen? You would have taken these 5 trades, and you would have get 275 plus 50,000, around 3,20,000 would be your profit, much higher than this profit. Okay, so don't go against the trend and you will be a successful trader. Okay, let me check one more thing. Okay, so what is that? If this is trend, okay, I want to check this trend. Suppose you keep this thing in mind. Okay, you use this strategy and you are not going against the trend. These two things in mind, using this pivot point strategy and not going against the trend. What happens? I'll show you. So let's see. You cannot catch a trend from the very beginning. Okay, it's not possible. So let's assume that you catch a trend from this point, that is 30th April 2019. You took a short trade. Okay, and you took the short trade till 16th of May. Till 16th of May you took that trade. So what I'm going to do is, on the sell side, what I'll do is 30th April. I'm going to go 30th April, okay, till 16th May. There you go. Because that was the trend. See, because that was the trend. There you go. You took a trade from 30th April from here, and you took it till 16th May. Okay, downtrend. With the trend, you are going with the trend. You are taking a short position. You used a pivot point strategy. Okay, now I'm back testing for that period. Let's see what happens. So it's checking. There you go. Do you see this? 44,340 rupees of your profit. And the beautiful thing is, you know what, you got 4 signals and all 4 was profitable. There was not a single signal which was loss making. So 100% is your accuracy. Well, this is not possible all the time, but if you had followed this strategy, that is pivot point strategy. And number two, if you went with the trend, in this case the trend was downwards, downtrend, and you used pivot strategy, you entered 30th April, took a position, short position, you took short position till 16th May, and look at your result, 100% accuracy. So this is the beauty, this is the beauty of a strategy, basic strategy, and this is the beauty of following a trend. So guys, today's takeaway is trend is our friend and we don't go against the trend. So today's takeaway, today's strategy, all for you. Enjoy this strategy, and I'm planning to make every Sunday a strategy Sunday. I'll try to come up with another strategy next Sunday. Till then, I'll see you next Saturday with my trading log, with new video, with new concept, with new strategy. Till then, see you again, guys. If possible, please subscribe, please press the like button, please press the bell button, so that whenever I upload a video you get the notification. Okay, see you guys next Saturday. Till then, good night, take care, love you all.